Did you know you have 7 seconds for first impressions? Here's a profile pop-up for Angelo, and I'm going to give you 2 minutes. It's my goal. Nice picture there, kind of an interesting color in the background. It works. I would almost zoom in a little more. Otherwise, we have a hard time seeing you here, as an example. See how small that is? We cannot make out your face. We are not drawn in. We see some colors. We're not drawn in by the picture, and this is one of the keys on LinkedIn. They do it this way for a reason, guys. When you're putting in a name, they want to see, hey, is this the Angelo you know? They want to know your picture. They want to give you a face. They want to know, help others to know who you are and what you look like. Now, your name is a little bit long, so we only get a few words of your headline. And that is my biggest point about this right here, right now. Someone searching for you, they come up with your name, they heard about you, let's say, they get to this point, looking for entry level, probably at level, right? That's not going to sell you. That's not going to make people want to bring you in and pull you in and get to know you like this, okay, Angelo? It's a common thing. I see it a lot, but it's the most important thing right now you need to worry about. Now, if you are looking for a front office 5-star hotel in Qatar, we can tell that you're in Qatar. So that right there says that. You could avoid saying in Qatar. You could say front office 5-star hotel. What about it? What about it that do you do so well that any 5-star hotel in Qatar would love to snatch you up? That's what we need to know. And we got to do it. You've got to do it in seconds. So that's got to get changed. Your headline has got to, within a few words potentially, if you want to trust that over 50-60% of people are using the browser, you've got to pull us in with a snappy headline right away and tell us why we should care and why we should keep on reading in your profile and potentially hire you. And also, by the way, hashtag ONO. Something to consider. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments. Executive Lounge Concierge with a pre-opening hotel experience. Great, that's good. You've got some pre-opening. Someone else looking for that. That's good. Strong background, food and beverage, This is good. It's a good intro. Is it enough to pull us in? And darn it, you didn't give me a whole lot more there. You're just kind of listing a few things, but tell me those results. Tell me what you did. Tell me what you can do. Okay? Now I'm over the 2 minutes. Bear with me here. Okay, you're missing out on an opportunity. You don't have a current position. This is definitely a reason, Angelo, why you need hashtag ONO. Tell me in the comments, guys, do you know why? I'm going to leave it at that. I want to cut this off. Research shows that people only watch these darn things for 2 minutes. I'm over already. We'll talk more in the comments. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.